If the edge length of the cube is 10 centimeters, then the total area will be what? We have cube. All sides are equal length in cube. Cube has 12 edges. Then we can find the total area. Total area will be 6 multiplication by area of one face. 6 product by L power 2. If side length here equal L, then the total area 6L power 2. And then we have side length was 10. Then the total area will be 6 times 10 power 2. 6 times 10 power 2, it will be 600 square centimeters total area. If you want to find the lateral area, the result will be 400. Okay, next question. Number 2. The median for the values 1968 is, we can find the median by a range of the values ascending or descending order, and then find the result or the value lies in the middle. We have 1, 6, 8, and 9. We can write median equal 6 plus 8 divided by 2. 6 plus 8 equal 14 divided by 2 equals 7. Question 3. The additive inverse of 10 of root 2. We want to find the additive inverse. We must change the sign. The additive inverse will be negative 10 over root 2. But this fraction we must convert the denominator by right root 2 numerator and numerator. The result will be negative 10 root 2 over root 2 times root 2 equal 2. Then the result will be negative 5 root 2. Then the result will be negative 5 root 2. It's additive inverse of 10 over 2. You must write negative 5 root 2. Question number 4. The lowest boundary of a set is 3 and its center is 6. Then the upper boundary is what? We know the center equal upper plus lower divided by 2. Then you can write the rule about center. Upper plus lower value divided by 2. He gives us the center in this example was equal what? Center 3. And upper quartile here, upper value, upper boundary, we want to find upper boundaries, we put here x choose upper boundaries, and lower boundaries here was what? He give us the center again. The center was 6. Okay, the center was 6, and lower quartile here was the lowest, will be what? Will be 3 divided by 2. Then 2 times 6 equal 12. 12 equal x plus 3. Then x will be equal 9. The value of x equal 9. X reverse 2, say what? The upper will be 9. Choose letter C. Question number 5. We want to find the difference between sets and interval. We have a set of 8, 9, and 10. You can cancel from it the opened interval from 8 to 10. It was opened from 8 to 10. What about this? It's opened from 8 to 10. It's meaning it opened and 10 opened. And we have here the first here 8, 9, and 10. He tells us this interval, cancel from this interval about the sets. We have here what is the digit lies in the set here and don't lies in the interval 8 and 10. Only the point 8 and 10, but 9 lies in this interval. Then the difference between them, it will be 8 and 10. Set of 8 and 10. Question letter A. Question number 6. If the arithmetic mean for all values M4 is 5, the arithmetic mean he give us, we know he give us the mean equal 5, and we know the mean equal sum of all values divided the number of values. We can add 3 plus m plus 4, 3 plus m plus 4 divided 1, 2, 3 divided by 3. We have 3 elements here, and then using the rule, the product of extremes equal product of means. 3 times 5 equal 15, and 3 plus 4 equals 7 plus m, then m here will be 15 minus 7, it will be equal 8. The value of m here equal 8. Next question, number 2, complete. Square root of 9 plus square root of 16 equals square root of space. Square root of 9, it will be 3, and square root of 16, 4. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 7 equals square root of 49. Then you write here 49. Question number 2 is the slope of straight line perpendicular to y-axis. We have here x-axis and y-axis. Straight line here, about this straight line perpendicular to y-axis, here it will be undefined or 0. Perpendicular to y dash, it's meaning what? Parallel to x-axis. Then the slope here will be equal 0 because this straight line will be parallel to x dash. But if this straight line was parallel to y dash, the slope will be undefined. Okay, the result will be 0 because the slope perpendicular to y dash, then this straight line will be parallel to the x-axis, then the slope will be equal 0. Next question number 3. If the median order of ground frequency distribution is 10, the order of the median was 10. Okay, give us the order of the median. The order of the median. Then the sum of the frequency is what? We can find the median here from order grouped frequency. We have seats and frequency here, and the median here was 10. Then the sum of all values, it will be 10 times 2, it will be 20. Then the sum of the frequency here, it will be 20. It will be 20, okay? Next question, number 4. If the ordered pair -2 and 5 satisfies the relation, this equation x plus k y equal 3, we want to find the value of k. Put the point here -2 and 5 in this equation because this point satisfies here. Put x equal -2 and y equal 5. Put x equal -2 plus k times y equal 5, that 5y equal 3. Move -2 here, then 5y it will be 3 plus 2 to 5, and then divided by 5, then the value of y here equal 1. Next question. Find in R reversitory numbers solution set of the equality represents solution set in the number line. We have x plus 1 over root 3 minus root 5, okay, less than or equal to root 3 plus root 5. Okay, we can find the result here in the simplest form by product by this denominator to left hand side and right hand side. To cancel this denominator, you must product by this denominator here. Multiplication by root 3 subtract by root 5. Root 3 minus root 5 divided by this similar, then the result will be 1. 1 times x plus 1, it will be x plus 1. And we will product this brackets by brackets. We have the conjunct here, root 3 times root 3, it will be 3, and root 5 times root 5, it will be 5, and the right negative here. Okay, or you can use the product of streams equal product of means. The properties about this: root 3 minus root 5 times root 3 plus root 5, it will be 3 minus 5, and 1 times x plus 1, it will be x plus 1. Less than or equal to 3 minus 5, it will be -2, and then you can move 1 to right hand side by change the sign. Then x less than or equal to -3. Then you can draw straight line here. Okay, right here -3, less than or equal to -3 to -infinity. Since the solution set will be opened interval from -infinity to -3, and -3 was closed. Next question, letter B. Find the radius length of sphere whose volume, give us the volume 288 cubic centimeter. Then the surface area in term of pi. Okay, he gives us the volume of what? Of sphere. We know the volume of sphere 4 equal 4 over 3. The volume equal the rule 4 over 3 by r power 3. And he gives us the volume 288 pi. Okay, 288 pi. You can cancel pi with pi. And the volume equal 4 over 3 r power 3 equal 288. Then r power 3 equal 288 times 3 over 4. 24 divided by 288. 28 divided by 4 equals 7. 8 divided by 4 equal 2. Then 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 7 equal 21. Then the radius will be cubic root of 216. The cubic root of 216 will be 6. Then the radius will be 6 centimeter. And then you can find surface area. It will be 4 by r power 2. 4 by multiplication by radius power 2. 6 power 2, it will be 36. 4 times 6 equal 24. Write 4 and carry up to 3 times 4 12. 12 plus 2 equal 14. 144 square centimeter. It's area of square. Okay. Question number 4, letter A. We have x and y. Prove that x and y are two conjugate numbers. First step, we can find the product between them. X and y equal 1. Then we can put x equals the value of x was root 5 minus 2. Product by y equal 1. Then the value of y equal 1 over root 5 minus 2 divided by this expression. And then you can simplify it by product the conjugate to denominator root 5 plus 2 here and root 5 plus 2. Then y equal root 5 plus 2 over root 5 times root 5 equal 5. Root 2 times 2 equal 4. The result will be root 5 plus 2 over 1. Then y will be root 5 plus 2. Then y and x are conjugate, are two conjugate number, Okay, then he want to find the value of x power 2 plus y power 2. You can write here the value of x and value of y. X was root 5 minus 2 and y equal root 5 plus 2. And then you can simplify the result here. Root 5 power 2, it will be 5. Subtract 2 times 2 times root 5, it will be 4. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times root 5 plus root negative 2 power 2, it will be 4 plus root 5 over 2, 5. 2 times 2 times root 5, it will be 4 root 5. And 4, you can cancel this by this term. 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4, it will be 18. The result here will be 18 about this example. Okay, understood? Simplified to simplest form, we have root 50 plus 4 over root 2. Subtract 10 root 1 over 2 plus 2 root 18. We can simplify it. Root 50, right? 25 times 2. And here 4 over root 2, product by root 2. Numerator and numerator. And here 1 root 1 and root 2. You can cancel root 2 by product root 2. Numerator and numerator. Okay, and then complete. 2 root 18, 18 equal 9 times 2, and then square root of 25 times 2, it will be 5 root 2. Root 2 times root 2, 2. 4 divided by 2 equal 2. Root 2. Root 2 times root 2 equal 2. 10 divided by 2 equal 5. 5 root 2 here. And root 2 of 9 square root. Square root of 9, it will be 3 times square root of 2. Right, 5 root 2 square root of 2. Subtract 5 root 2 equals 0. Then the result will be 2 square root of 2. Subtract 2 times root 3 equals 6. 2. Then the result will be 2 minus 6 will be negative 4 root 2 is the simplest result about this example. Next question, number 5, letter A. If the slope of straight line passing through the 2 point equal 5, find the value of x. We know the slope equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And then he give us the slope was 5. We can write about the point. We have point here. The first point was 3x and 5. And second point here 4x. y2 minus y1, right? 4x minus 5 over x2 minus x1, 2 minus 3x. You can use the rule, the product of extremes equal product of means. 5 times 2 it will be 10. 5 times 3 equal 15. 1 times 4x will be 4x. 1 times negative 5, negative 5. And then you can move the negative 5 here. It will be 4x plus negative 15. Move to here. It will be a positive 15x. And write 10 here and move to negative 5. It will be positive 5. The result will be 15 equal 15 plus 4. 15 plus 4 equal 19x. Then x will be 15 over 19. Okay, understood. This is the value of x. Okay, this number here and moved 15 and moved here 19. Next question. You can find the value of x here from this table by add all the values. 5 plus 9 plus 8 plus 6 subtract by 40. 5 plus 9 plus 8 plus 6 subtract by 40. 5 plus 9 equal 14. And 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 14, 28. The difference will be 12. X will be 12. And then you can draw and complete solving with your us. Right here seats. And x is center between all seats here. And write k and then x product by k. You can complete this exam. It's very easy for you. Right here all the values and the x is the center between 4 and 8. 4 plus 8 equal 12 divided by 2 equals 6. And all the time plus 4, 10, 14 and so on. And then you can write the mean. You can complete this. Okay, find the sum of x product by k. We have k here in this example 5, 9 and 12 and so on. You can product them here and complete to find the mean summation of x product by k over summation of k. This is the mean about this example. Okay, understood.